oatmeal. Two
right.
oatmeal.
And would you like some artificial flavorings in
Oh,
it?
yes, please.
All right. I'll be right back with that.
No. Hey, slow up the filter, guys.
Just the other day, I got some new lipstick. It's very vibrant. So you just apply it like this. See, it's so pretty.
Can I try some?
Yes. I bought it because I love looking like a clown.
How do I look, Caitlin?
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Your lipstick stains are slowly killing you. No red dye number 4.
I have your oatmeal. Whoa.
Oh, thank you. That
Thank
was
you, ma'am.
delicious.
Is there anything else you need?
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this looks great. Don't eat that.
That's enough, man.
Would you like anything else?
You know what? We were thinking about going organic. You want to go organic with us?